today. So we're taking the 4955 and the 4455 out. Both old school tractors, no GPS, and they both have a set of Cambridge rollers on the back of them. So they're both 9 metres, and we're going to see how long it takes both tractors to roll no faster than 9k to roll 50 acres. What are your thoughts? Comment below. We'll see, and we'll work it out. Now we've had a little listen to the proper tractors. Why do we roll? So one of the most important factors in achieving crop establishment is ensuring that the soil is consolidated around the seed zone. So we want a really good seed-soil contact to ensure the germination process starts, which means we're going to give the crop the best start in life. So these Cambridge rollers, as I said, improve the seed-to-soil contact, but they also help to retain the moisture, reduce erosion, and improve chemical spray contact. They also do decrease slug activity as well, because there's not big lumps all over the soil that slugs can climb over, because that's a good habitat for slugs. Right, I'm going to leave Billy and Dan to get on while I go and check the Mascani oats. So I'm just going over to our trial plots. If you look over here, you can see all the orange tags and the sticks pointing out. What I'm standing on right now is a commercial crop of oats. In the sticked area, we have trial plots of oats, but we drilled this a while ago. If we dig right down, I just dig one up here. Mind my rubbish, that's my Scarecrow. There we go, you can see the little seed. It's germinated. If you dig down and look very carefully, you can see them all coming up. So this is the commercial crop of Mascani oats. Let's go over to the trial plots and see what's happening over there. Oh, I've dropped a Scarecrow over there. So we've got a little bit of yellowing on this one up here. This means it's just been a bit under stress. Maybe it's drilled a little bit too deep or not had the correct conditions. Right. This bit here looks like nothing's in it, and it is right, there's nothing in it. This is for spring oats, so we haven't drilled it yet. So this plot here, it's just nothing. So we'll walk over and see if we can find any weeds or anything. There shouldn't be anything drilled. You can see where this would be rolled nicely, compacted. You can see the difference here, we've got big clots. Where has it been? There are some volunteers though, from last year. A volunteer barley. Volunteer barley in this bit that hasn't been drilled. That's just, last year we planted barley and barley was in this field. It's just what's ever been left over by the combine, and we haven't incorporated or sprayed off properly. It's just gonna keep growing. So this is what it is, but we'll catch that when we have fungicide sprays and herbicides on. Okay, I've got a cable tie, some ripped up bag. some little, I don't know if it's rabbits or something a bit larger, all their footprints. But I haven't seen any nibbling yet, so it seems to be growing okay. Or it could actually even be the birds, I don't know. We have volunteer barley coming up. Oh, I dropped some of the plastic thing, oh well. We've got volunteer barley coming up. You can see, this is the residue left from last year. Some of the stubble. That's okay, that'll just be incorporated into the crop for the oats, so it's just a bit of the trash on top. I don't know if you can see quite yet, but certain bits of the field are darker where the oats have grown faster. But this is obviously just maybe different soil conditions. They haven't had any different treatment yet, so we can't blame it on that. But I don't know, if you just look in that corner over there or over there, it could just be where I'm standing as well. It looks like it seems to have grown a bit faster and quicker than the rest of the plots. So as I said in my previous video, got some exciting news to share soon. Can't quite tell you what it is yet. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It helps me pay off my student loan. I just cable tied my finger, how stupid. I thought I would pop back from doing my scarecrows and see how the boys are getting on in the 49-55 and the 44-55. How did I get that wrong? So there goes Billy. Then the bigger beast comes here. 49-55. So in the end, this 50-acre piece of land, 9.1 metre rolls, no faster than 8.5k. Both tractors rolled it in 2.25 hours, which I think is pretty impressive. What do you think? How fast can you roll your fields?